welcome back to our channel. Today I have Theodore and my brother Jack and
What's your name?
my name's Zoey, and we are going to be making confetti cupcakes. The first ingredients, we're going to need 4 eggs.
1 cup of sugar.
You need 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract.
3 tablespoons of rainbow sprinkles.
3 cups of flour.
1 cup or 2 sticks of butter. Gather all your ingredients.
Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Our 2 sticks of butter.
Next, we're gonna put in our sugar, eggs.
We're gonna add the flour, then add vanilla extract.
We're gonna add in our sprinkles.
Until the batter is smooth. A tray of cupcake liners.
Now we're gonna scoop our cupcake batter into the liners halfway, filling each one.
Put this in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes or spray heat to the touch.
4 cups of powdered sugar in a bowl. One and a bean of aloo.
1 cup of vegetable shortening.
Next, for your frosting, you'll need 1 1/4 teaspoons of vanilla extract.
We need 4 teaspoons of milk and a pinch of salt. We also need 1/4 cup of butter. We put our butter in now.
We're gonna put our shortening.
Put our pinch of salt and our vanilla extract.
We're gonna add our powdered sugar, a little bit at a time, to our butter and shortening mixture.
Final products, cupcakes.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Chef Kelly videos.
These cupcakes were so delicious.
Can we
Like
Bye.
Bye.
We have to preheat our oven at 355 degrees. This is our final products, cupcakes.
Make sure you like, subscribe.
These turned out so delicious.
Thank you for watching my video. If you like this recipe, please follow my page at Cooking with Kelly Michelle on Instagram. Make sure to like my video, and if you use my recipe, please tag me in all of your photos and videos. Thanks so much for watching.